Jeremiah Robinson allegedly shot and killed a man outside of the Walgreens on the corner of Oneida and Mason Streets in February. In Wisconsin, those between 10 and 16 years old and charged with homicide are prosecuted in adult court. However, attorneys can petition for a reverse waiver hearing in an attempt to move the case to juvenile court. Those requests must be approved by a judge, and that motion was denied today.
If you can send that offense to the juvenile justice system and it doesn't depreciate the seriousness of the offense, really what is the offense that you couldn't send under that factor?
The 16-year-old will return to court for a status hearing on January 31st. He's being held on a $1 million cash bond.
Today around 1:15 p.m. there was a shooting here at the Walgreens on West Mason and Oneida Streets. Now about 2 hours later, about 3:30, 3:45-ish, officers did go ahead and take down that crime scene tape. But right across the street here at AutoZone, you can see that the crime scene tape here is still up, and you can actually see where bullets traveled and blew out the windows over at the AutoZone store. Here's what officers have released so far about the incident. So it was around 1:15 this afternoon that an officer saw some sort of disturbance that was outside the Walgreens. Responding officers were told shots were fired. Now, one man who officers believe to be the shooter is in custody, but they're still looking for a second person who fled the scene. Meanwhile, a third person who police say was involved was found at a local hospital with injuries officers believe were from this shooting.
Certainly a very busy intersection, so if passersby saw something or were in this area around that 1 o'clock to 1:15 time and saw something, certainly reach out to the Greenbay Police Department and let us know. We're willing to talk to anyone and everyone that may have been a witness to the incident.
Now, on top of those details, nearby Lincoln Elementary, West High School, and Franklin Middle Schools were put into secure the building mode. Now, that was lifted around 2:20 this afternoon, and families who have students that attend those schools were asked to go ahead and pick them up if they usually walk home from school.
15-year-old Jeremiah Robinson with first-degree murder in that shooting. He'll be tried in adult court. It happened outside of Walgreens at the corner of West Mason and South Oneida Streets. The criminal complaint says Robinson and another man, Jeromy Finke, got into a confrontation with a 31-year-old man and another man over money. Robinson told police he shot the victim in self-defense after being threatened. Police say that man took himself to the hospital after being shot. He later died. Police say they're still looking for Finke for questioning. If you have any information, you're asked to call Greenbay Police.